Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to storyboard faceless content so you can plan your videos like a pro and keep your audience hooked from start to finish. Storyboarding is the secret weapon of every great creator. It's how you turn your ideas into a clear, engaging video. And the best part, you don't need to show your face to make it work. Step 1. Start with your message. What's the one thing you want your audience to take away from your video? Write it down. It's your anchor. Step 2. Break it into scenes. Think of your video as a story with a beginning, middle, and end. For example, the beginning grabs attention, the middle delivers value, the end has a strong call to action. Step 3. Choose your visuals. Since we're creating faceless content, think about what your audience will see. Will it be text overlays, stock footage, or animations? Tools like CapCut and Leonardo AI make this super easy. Step 4. Add transitions and timing. This is where the magic happens. Use CapCut to sync your visuals with your voiceover or music. Smooth transitions keep your audience engaged from start to finish. And finally, Step 5. Review and refine. Watch your storyboard come to life and make adjustments as needed. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to connect with your audience. Storyboarding is the foundation of great content, and now you have the tools to make it happen. So grab your ideas, start planning, and let's create something amazing together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me for more tips. Let's create without limits. That's it for today, loves, and please don't forget to subscribe.